Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Township. Playing with friends makes Township more fun and engaging. First of all, open up the Township application on your device and make sure that your game is connected to either Facebook, Google Play Games, or Apple Game Center. After you are done with it, go ahead and tap on the friends icon, which looks like two small persons at the bottom left, and then from this friends tab, go to the bottom section and click on invite friends. Now you will be able to see your invitation code on the screen. You can send this code to your friends so that they can join you in the game. If you want to email the code, tap on the @ sign right next to the code and then go ahead and type down your friend's email address in the text box. Once you are done, tap the send button or the arrow button at the top right to send in the message. You can also send this link via Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, or whichever way you prefer. You can also enter your friend's invitation code to become neighbors. Tap the enter button and type in the invitation code of your friend in the text box and tap on OK. Once your friends accepts your invite and installs Township, they'll be automatically connected to your friend list. So that's how you can easily invite friends in Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.